you own rental properties in your name and you have a tenant lawsuit coming after you, they will be able to come after all of the assets you own, including the home that you and your family live in. Now, a way to get around this is set up an LLC. If you have multiple rental properties, you could do a single LLC or multiple LLCs. That way, if you're with multiple LLCs, you will fully separate those properties from each other. And when you have a lawsuit on one property, it will be isolated to the LLC that one property is in, protecting the other properties in the separate LLCs. Now, LLCs in general will give you asset protection from the rental properties themselves. So if there's a lawsuit coming after the rental property, it will not be able to come after the assets that you own in your personal name, which will protect any investment accounts or your family home or cars or anything like that that is not inside of that LLC. You also want to make sure you are not commingling money with the LLC. As example, if you have a vacancy on that rental property and you need to pay for the mortgage payment and you don't have money inside of the LLC, you don't want to be putting money inside of the LLC and then paying yourself back out at a later date. That's putting money in, taking money out is commingling money. If you are going to do it, you need to do it correctly. So you could do a loan to the LLC, or you could do a capital contribution. If you do one of these things, you need to properly document the agreement that you have between yourself and the LLC, and also keep up the accounting on both sides. That way, if a lawsuit comes after the LLC and they're trying to break that corporate veil and come after the assets that you own as an individual, you have proper documentation on that you have done things correctly to maintain that corporate veil and that asset protection. If you want help setting any of this up, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.